Welcome back to Speaking History, friends. If you've ever watched Chinese movies or dramas, you've likely seen the iconic Yin Yang symbol. This ancient emblem represents the balance between good and evil, light and darkness. It's a central symbol of Taoism, one of China's oldest religions, reflecting the two forces believed to govern the universe. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Taoism, a religion that also reveres the mythical dragon. The dragon, a symbol deeply embedded in Chinese culture, finds its origins in Taoist teachings and stories. Taoism was founded by Lao Tzu, a figure shrouded in mystery. Historians disagree on his birth, placing it anywhere between the 5th and 2nd centuries BCE, but all agree he was born in Qianzhou, China. Lao Tzu came from a humble background and worked as a guard in the Zhou dynasty's royal library, where he immersed himself in knowledge. As Lao Tzu's teachings spread, people began calling him Lao Tzu, meaning old philosopher. The word Tao translates to the way, representing the hidden principles of the universe. Taoism emphasizes the importance of living in harmony with nature and views following one's desires as a grave sin. Just as Lao Tzu's birth is debated, so is his death. Taoist followers tell many supernatural tales about him, including a famous one attributed to Confucius, the founder of Confucianism. According to this story, Confucius believed Lao Tzu wasn't human, but a divine being, a flying deity, what we now call a dragon. After sharing his wisdom, Lao Tzu returned to the heavens. This belief is why the dragon holds such a revered place in Chinese culture. To Taoists and Confucians, Lao Tzu is seen as an incarnation of the dragon, a creature they worship and turn to in times of need. Taoism also has unique practices, with separate temples for different prayers, whether for health, marriage, or wealth. The sacred text of Taoism is the Tao Te Ching. Legend has it that before leaving China, Lao Tzu was stopped by a border guard who asked for wisdom. In response, Lao Tzu wrote the Tao Te Ching, handed it to the guard, and was never seen again. This book is known for its complexity, with interpretations varying widely. Taoism has two main sects, the northern, focusing on meditation, and the southern, often associated with magic. Throughout history, Taoism has faced bans and persecution in China, but its symbols, like Yin Yang and the dragon, have always endured. Even in modern China, where religion is officially banned, Taoism's influence remains strong, woven into the fabric of Chinese culture and even influencing other Eastern religions like Buddhism and Confucianism. I hope this video has given you new insights into Taoism. If you found it informative, please like the video and share your thoughts in the comments.